τον κύριο Στέλιο Χριστοδούλου από τη λέσχη του Άρη Πεντέλης, η οποία λέσχη είναι η μία εκ των δύο διοργανωτών του Παγκοσμίου Πρωταθλήματος.
And the second club who helped with organizing this event was Alma Megalopolis, so please welcome Dr. Efraim Stavros Chichilis.
Και από την Αλμά Μεγαλόπολης, τον κύριο ιατρό Σταύρο Τσίχλη.
And last but not least, please welcome here Kusti Marionen from Finland, the representative, because Finland is going to host next year FIM Junior Motocross World Championship.
Την επόμενη χρονιά το Παγκόσμιο Πρωτάθλημα Junior Motocross θα φιλοξενηθεί από τη Φινλανδία.
Great, and now the official speeches. I would like to ask Mayor of the Megalopolis for welcoming words, Thanasis Christogiannopoulos.
Ο Δήμαρχος θα προσφωνήσει τώρα ένα σύντομο χαιρετισμό.
Αγαπητές και αγαπητοί προσκεκλημένοι και συμμετέχοντες από την Ελλάδα και όλο τον κόσμο.
Dear guests and participants from Greece and around the world.
Κύριε Υφυπουργέ Εξωτερικών Κωνσταντίνε Βλάση.
Dear Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Konstantinos Vlasis.
Κύριε Περιφερειάρχα Πελοποννήσου Παναγιώτη Νίκα.
Dear Regional Governor of Peloponnese, Mr. Panagiotis Nikas.
Κύριε Αντιπεριφερειάρχα Αρκαδίας Χρήστο Λαμπρόπουλε.
Dear Deputy Regional Governor of Arcadia, Mr. Christos Lampropoulos.
Κύριε Αντιπεριφερειάρχα Αθλητισμού Ιωάννη Ματζούνη.
Dear Deputy Regional Governor of Sports, Mr. Ioannis Mantζounis.
Κύριοι συνάδελφοι δήμαρχοι.
Dear fellow mayors.
Κύριοι περιφερειακοί και δημοτικοί σύμβουλοι.
Dear regional and municipal councillors.
Κύριε Πρόεδρε της Αρκαδία ΑΕ Παναγιώτη Μπούρα.
Dear President of Arcadia SA, Mr. Panagiotis Bouras.
Κυρίες και κύριοι εκπρόσωποι της Παγκόσμιας Ομοσπονδίας Μοτοσικλέτας, της Infront Motor Racing.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear representatives of World Motorcycle Federation, of Infront Motor Racing,
της Αθλητικής Ομοσπονδίας Μοτοσικλέτας Ελλάδος και των Αθλητικών Σωματείων του Άρη Πεντέλης και της Άλμα Μεγαλόπολης.
Of Greek Motorcycle Sports Federation, of the Sports Club of Aris Pentelis and the Megalopolis Motorsports Club.
Σας καλωσορίζουμε απόψε στο Δήμο μας.
Tonight we would like to welcome all of you to our municipality.
Έχουμε την τιμή και τη χαρά να φιλοξενούμε φέτος στην πίστα Motocross Μεγαλόπολης τη διοργάνωση του Παγκόσμιου Πρωταθλήματος Junior Motocross MX που θα διεξαχθεί αύριο Σάββατο 31 Ιουλίου και μεθαύριο Κυριακή 1 Αυγούστου με τη συμμετοχή 129 νεαρών αθλητών και αθλητριών από 10 έως 17 ετών που θα εκπροσωπήσουν 23 χώρες.
Tonight, we would like to welcome all of you to our municipality. We have the honor and pleasure to host this year on the motocross track of Megalopolis, which is located a few kilometers away. The organization of the World Junior Motocross MX Championship, which will be held tomorrow on Saturday, the 31st of July, and on Sunday, the 1st of August, with the participation of 129 athletes from the age of 10 to the age of 17, representing 23 countries.
Αυτό το παγκόσμιο αθλητικό γεγονός γίνεται σε μια δύσκολη περίοδο εξαιτίας της πανδημίας του COVID-19 και για τον λόγο αυτό υπάρχει μέριμνα για αυστηρή εφαρμογή των προβλεπόμενων υγειονομικών πρωτοκόλων και μέτρων προστασίας, ώστε όλοι και όλες οι επισκέπτες να απολαύσουμε τη διοργάνωση με απόλυτη ασφάλεια.
This global sporting event is taking place at a difficult time due to the pandemic of COVID-19, and for this reason there is a strict implementation of the prescribed health protocols and protection measures so that all visitors, participants and athletes enjoy the event with absolute safety.
Η επιλογή της πίστας του Motocross Μεγαλόπολης για τη φιλοξενία της παγκόσμιας διοργάνωσης αποδεικνύει ότι αυτός ο χώρος είναι ικανός και κατάλληλος και έχει την προοπτική να καθιερωθεί ως εμβληματική αθλητική υποδομή τόσο στη χώρα μας όσο και στο εξωτερικό.
The choice of the Megalopolis motocross track for hosting the world event proves that this space is capable and suitable and has the prospect of establishing an emblematic sports infrastructure both in our country and abroad.
Όλοι μας έχουμε συμφωνήσει και εργαζόμαστε για να καταστεί μόνιμος αθλητικός προορισμός η πίστα Motocross Μεγαλόπολης για την διεξαγωγή αγώνων εθνικού, ευρωπαϊκού και παγκόσμιου επίπεδου, προκειμένου να αποτελέσει έναν από τους πυλώνες ανάπτυξης της περιοχής μας για τη μετάβασή μας στη μεταλλικτική περίοδο και να ενισχύσει την επισκεψιμότητα της περιφέρειας Πελοποννήσου.
We have all agreed and are working to make the Megalopolis motocross track a permanent sporting destination for national, European and world-level races in order to be one of the pillars of our region's development during our transition to the post-Lightning period and to enhance the traffic of the Peloponnese region.
Εύχομαι να περάσετε ευχάριστα κατά τη διαμονή σας στο Δήμο Μεγαλόπολης. Είμαι πεπισμένος ότι θα επιστρέψετε στον τόπο σας με τις καλύτερες αναμνήσεις και θα θελήσετε να μας επισκεφτείτε πάλι στο μέλλον για να ζήσετε ανάλογες εμπειρίες που προσφέρει ο μηχανοκίνητος αθλητισμός.
I wish you a pleasant time during your stay in the municipality of Megalopolis. I am convinced that you will return to your place with the best memories and you will want to visit us again in the future to live similar experiences offered by motorsports.
Στην παρουσίαση των ομάδων που θα ακολουθήσει θα παρακαλούσα να δώσουμε ένα θερμότατο χειροκρότημα σε όλους τους μικρούς αθλητές και αθλήτριες και να τους δώσουμε δύναμη στο ξεκίνημα της αθλητικής σταδιοδρομίας τους.
In the presentation of the teams that we follow, I would like to give a warm applause to all the young athletes and to give them strength at the beginning of their athletic career.
Για απόψε εύχομαι να διασκεδάσετε με το μουσικό πρόγραμμα που έχουμε ετοιμάσει στη συνέχεια. Αύριο θα είμαστε όλοι στην πίστα Motocross Μεγαλόπολης για να θαυμάσουμε τους μικρούς αθλητές, τους μελλοντικούς παγκόσμιους πρωταθλητές.
For tonight, I hope you have fun with the music program we have prepared. Tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, let us all be on the Megalopolis motor track to admire the young athletes, the future world champions.
Σας ευχόμαστε να παρακολουθήσετε τους αγώνες και να έχετε μία καλή διασκέδαση με την όλη παραμονή σας στη Μεγαλόπολη. Σας ευχαριστώ πολύ.
We wish you to watch the games and have fun. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mayor. And now I would like to ask the Minister of Foreign Affairs in Greece, Konstantinos Vlasis.
Ευχαριστούμε πολύ τον κύριο Δήμαρχο Μεγαλόπολης. Τώρα θα εκφωνήσει ένα σύντομο χαιρετισμό ο Υπουργός Εξωτερικών, ο κύριος Κωνσταντίνος Βλάσης.
Hello, as a member of Greek Parliament, as Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs, I want to welcome you all here in Greece, in the center of Peloponnese, in our city in Megalopolis. I'm really proud as a parent, as a father, to see all these kids, and especially to see this smile. I think that there's gonna be an incredible weekend, and you have to know that everybody is a winner. So, I wish you the best. Welcome. Καλώς ήρθατε. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs in Greece. And now, Panagotis Nikas, Governor of Peloponnese Region.
Καλούμε στο βήμα τον κύριο Περιφερειάρχη Πελοποννήσου, Παναγιώτη Νίκα.
Αγαπητά μας παιδιά, από 29 χώρες που ήρθατε στην Ελλάδα και στη Μεγαλόπολη.
Dear children from...
Σας ευχαριστούμε για την παρουσία σας. Ευχόμαστε να ζήσετε τους καλύτερους αγώνες motocross.
Thank you for your presence here in Greece, and we wish you to live the best MX races.
Οι αγώνες αυτοί υποστηρίζονται οικονομικά από την ελληνική κυβέρνηση, την Περιφέρεια Πελοποννήσου και το Δήμο. Και αυτό θα γίνεται κάθε χρόνο.
These races are financially supported by the municipality, the region of Peloponnese, and of course the Greek government.
Θα είμαστε πάντοτε μαζί σας. Καλή επιτυχία στους αγώνες, καλή δύναμη. Ευχαριστούμε για την παρουσία σας εδώ. Η φιλοξενία σας υποσχόμαστε ότι θα είναι άριστη. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ.
We will always be by your side. We wish you good luck and have fun in the races. Thank you very much again for your presence here.
And last but not least, please make applause for Patricia Mashkarova, General Manager of FIM Junior World Championship.
Η κυρία Πατρίτσια Μασκάροβα, Γενική Διευθύντρια.
Thank you very much. My first time when I came here in this place was maybe 22 years ago, in action group time. It's been some time you can see still in paddock action group. It's been many years ago. Then we come back here for MX3 and the late World Championship, where is also important races. After all these changes from last year, we are very happy to be here again because we know that situation happened, and really that happened is junior because it's one of the important races of the kids, 65, 85, 125. I would like to thank for the authorities, for the FIM, and of course all these people that happened this race, and to continue also for next year that will be Finland. And I just wish good luck for everybody from each country that he come, because was not very. Some people come from very fast and far away than like Mexico. Was not really easy, and everybody is just coming here to take this part, and I wish you very good weekend, and hope that will be everybody healthy, and good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Patricia. And last but not least, Kusti Manionen from Finland. Is he here? So if yes, I would like him or someone from Finnish Federation. It would be just great to come, because next year it's gonna be the year where Junior will head for their championship. So someone from Finnish Federation. Okay. If not, we are going on with our program. So, guys, I would like to show you the best moments. Last year we missed, but I would like to show you on the screens. So have eyes on the screens. Best moments from 2019 from Trentino. That was the last FIM Junior Motocross World Championship. That has happened. So let's watch how it was. Yeah, just pay attention.
Ήταν καλύτερες στιγμές από το Παγκόσμιο Πρωτάθλημα.
Yeah, they will play the video first. We need to finish the video and then. Yeah, no problem. No problem.
Okay.
I will start. No problem. I will start. Thanks a lot. Maybe you recognize yourself on the videos, yeah, because it was shot today. So, and now we have important thing to tell you because FIM is now heading with a green code. So, that's why I left Antonio Alia Portela for this moment. He's FIM CMS Director, and he would like to also welcome you here, and then I have something special for him. But first, Antonio.
Thank you very much. On behalf of the FIM, I would like to welcome you to Megalopolis, particularly those countries which come from very far away, like Mexico and Russia. I'm here, and it is a pleasure just to have you all here together. And tomorrow we'll be on the track, seeing who is best. All the best for all the riders, and I wish you the best of the lucks. So thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. That was Antonio. He's really like big boss in FIM. But I have now one super difficult task for you. This is the special glass Asian Cup, let's call it. And I need 3 riders to help Antonio guess what it is. So 3 riders. Just jump here. There are the stairs. So can I pick up like you? Can you come on the podium? And then who is like brave? Come on. But no, come on. Really, it could be also team manager. You? But on the podium very quickly from this side. Okay, thank you. And Czech Republic team, yeah, one of you. Chlapci, poďte na podium. Šup. Jeden hore. Okay, so come on. Good? You. Okay, so we have 3 guys. I have a special water here. So, you see that we have like plenty of the cups, yeah? You could try to guess what they will be used for. It's very tricky thing. Okay, so guys, you could take one also from here and try to tell us what it is for. So try to guess. So, okay, this is actually the 65cc world champion from Trentino. Hello, come on. Vítě Marek. Vítě Marek, what do you think what this cup is for?
I don't know. I think water or...
Water, okay. What do you think? What is this for? You are from Greece, so you're supposed to know what it is for.
I don't know.
Really? Like, try to guess. You? You have an idea what this could be?
Water.
For water. But how it can be for water if... Antonio, may I ask you to fill your glass, please? Okay. But put it like a lot. Put it there. But look there. How it could be for water if there is a hole? That's probably not for water, or? So, boys, you could try to guess one more time what it is for.
With this size, I don't know.
Okay, Vítě, you have an idea?
No, you can...
Yeah, you could like have a shower. Good idea. Do you have any other special... Come on, come here. Do you have any other special thoughts about what this cup could be used for?
No.
But really speak loudly because we want to know. You know what? Actually, it was used like many years ago. The ancient Greeks were using it, so... Yeah, the father needs to help him, probably. Come on, father.
Huh?
I know speaking English. What?
They need to have like the family special thoughts about this. Okay, so we will show you. This glass is called fair glass. Fair glass, you know why? Because it makes everyone fair and equal. So you need to put water in a certain level. Not very full, because when you full it, it will go like, you will pour it out. But if you will just put it like here, stop please, Antonio, look. And you could like drink it and no water will be wasted. Drink it? You want to drink? Yeah? Feel free. So you see, this is the fair glass because the ancient Greek students would like to drink wine, and they of course don't want Greeks to be drunk, so they invented this kind of glass. So you will have it as a present from Federation. Good, guys. Thank you very much for demonstration. Thank you, Antonio. You could have a water. Thank you very much. Now I have information for you about the Ride Green. Maybe you noticed that we are really trying to follow Ride Green code. So you will have to, like, who has Instagram, please tag yourself if you are having some green activities with FIM Ride Green or FIM Live or MXGP. And we will watch you whole event, like how you are treating your plastic stuff, if you are using environmental mat and all this stuff. And then after podium on Sunday, we will tell who will win Green Ride Cup. So guys, I have the ambassador here who made a video for us. It's a very famous motocross rider. So let's watch the video with Jeremy Seaver, because he is an environmental ambassador in motocross world.
Hi guys, I'm Jeremy Seaver, FIM Bright Green Ambassador. I want to invite you to participate on and off the track. How? Participating in the Ride Green Cup, a contest in which the winner is the one who proves to be a friend of the planet. Find the basis on the website FIM Moto. Remember, less plastic, more fantastic. Remember guys, that to be a champion you must stick to the rules. Do not forget your environmental mat. Put trash in the right place. Do not make unnecessary engine noise. Save water, use less plastic.
So you saw also that Jeremy Seaver is following the environmental code. So I would like ask you also that you will follow it during whole weekend. Okay, and now we are going to what you all are waiting for, to the team's presentation. So I will ask all the teams in alphabetical order to jump on the podium, all of you, okay? Are you ready for this? Good, super. I'm super happy to hear this. So, Team Austria, please come on the podium and we will give you big applause. Moritz Ernecker is coming from 65cc, from 85cc Maximilian Ernecker. And organizers are giving the special Fair Asian Grease Cups to each participant. And from 85C, okay, so Team Austria, I would like to ask you to hold up on your flag. Good. We will have a picture. We will clap our hands for you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And we are inviting on the stage Team Belgium. Team Belgium is a pretty small team, but nevertheless, 85cc guy, Dauphin Mechelen is coming on the stage. Only one rider from Belgium we have here, so clap your hands for him. Hello, Do. Thank you very much, Dauphin Mechelen. Thanks a lot. And we are going to the next team. Welcome on the stage, Team Bulgaria. Team Bulgaria consists of 65cc Dani Tsanko, in 85cc Venislav Toshev will ride, and in 125cc Christian Georgiev and Marios Kanakis. So we have here, and you watch, quite big Bulgarian team. Clap your hands for them also. Welcome, boys. And from two organizing clubs, Aris Pentelis and Alma Megalopolis, they are receiving these Asian Cups. So I hope the riders won't drink any wine today in evening. Thank you very much, Team Bulgaria. And now please welcome on the stage, Team Cyprus. Team from Cyprus. It's represented by Elina Aristodimos. Elina Aristodimos is only one representative of Cyprus team. Do we have Aristodimos Elina here anywhere? Yeah, he's coming. Super. So one more applause, please, for him. Team Cyprus, hello. You also will receive this Fair Cup, Asian Cup. Thanks a lot. And now, quite a big team from Czech Republic. In 65cc Stanislav Pojar. In 85cc Přemysl Zimek, Vítězslav Marek. Current 68 world champion, just not to forget. And in 125cc Adam Maj. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Team Czech Republic. Česká republika. Gratulujeme a teda vítáme vás. Čaute. Thank you very much. And now we would like to welcome on the stage Team Estonia. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Estonia is quite big, so prepare for themselves for them. 65cc Aston Alas, Karel Tesalu, Enrico Pelman, Henry Lustus. In 85cc Jan Martin Paju, Jasper Koiv, Karl Hund, Sebastian Leok. And in 125, Romeo Karu, Josep Parn. Ladies and gentlemen, those beautiful riders comes from Estonia. If everyone has a cup, I would like to wave you. Team Estonia, I wish you good luck for tomorrow and for Sunday. Thanks, lovely fans. That's cool. Please jump down from the podium, and we are going to welcome here Team France. Leo Dis Fernard, Tilan Lagain, Sleni Goyer. Those riders are in 65cc, then 85cc, Amuri, Mindru, Tom Brunet, Mano Foret. And 125cc, Javier Casal, Nicolas Duhamel, Marc-Antoine Rossi. Those riders have definitely big ambitions for the weekend. Look at them, they came, all of them, with their team managers. So, Team France, wish you lots of luck, no injuries, of course. Yeah, and have a beautiful pictures from this opening ceremony. So, ladies and gentlemen, please clap your hands for Team France. Thank you very much. And now please welcome Team Hungary. Hungarian team, come on the stage. Aaron Katona from 65cc, Ferenc Orlov from 85, Noel Zanot also from 85, and 125, Bence Pergel. This is how Hungarian team looks like. We are also giving them all nice presents as a memory of 2021 FIM Motocross Junior World Championship. Thank you very much. So this is Team Hungary. Thanks a lot. And now quite exotic team from Israel. Team Israel, they came quite nice delegation, consists of 65cc rider Avi Husinai, Itai Weinberg, then 85 Ben Almagor, Noam Bialy, Ofir Kassi, Tzemach. And then 125cc from Israel is Erez Melman. We would like to also welcome their team manager. So, hope that you will have great experiences from Greece. Thank you very much, Team Israel. Now I would like to ask you for a big, big applause because the champions from Trentino, the winning national teams from 2019 is coming on a stage. Team Italy! Italy will have a really rough task for upcoming weekend. They need to defend the title. But look, they really came in a, like many, many riders, in a really strong mood for winning. Look at them. This is Team Italy. Edoardo Riganti, Andrea Hussellini, Cristian Amali, Giovanni Cassarelli, 65cc, and then 85cc, Simone Manzini, Filippo Mantovani, Mattia Barbieri, Alessandro Gaspari, Patrick Bussato, and 125cc, Valerio Latta, actually world champion from Trentino, so just to not forget, Andrea Viano, Nicola Salvini, Andrea Rossi, and Luca Ruffini. Team Italy! One. Okay, I think that Team Italy presented themselves. They are, beside that they are great riders, they are also great singers. You could see it. So now welcome on the stage, Team Latvia! Team Latvia, Denis Bogdanovs, from 85cc, Markus Oslins, Yanis Martins Raisulis, and 125cc, Carlis Alberts Raisulis. Ladies and gentlemen, this is team from Latvia. Please clap your hands for them. Thanks a lot. And now the neighbor country of Latvia will come, Lithuania. Lithuania consists of only one rider, but it could have been that only one rider could also make a big difference when racing. So this is Lithuania, Marius Adomaitis. Crossing fingers for you for upcoming weekend. Thanks a lot, Team Lithuania. And now we are going really far, far away to Mexico. So Team Mexico, Bernardo Diaz, Lorenzo Diaz, and Daniel Fragoso. Ladies and gentlemen, see, they will bring also some national spirit on a stage. I see their young lady dressed as real Mexicans do. So this is team from Mexico. And I would like to tell you that this could be a really big surprise of the event because, for example, in 65cc, this small Bernardo Diaz, he is the current Mexican champion, believe it or not, but that's true. So be ready for Team Mexico. Thank you very much. Enjoy the weekend. We are going not that far away. We are going to Netherlands. So Team Netherlands is coming on a stage. They also have a unique thing to introduce because they have the girl among them. And as you see, probably you already know her because this is Lotte van Drunen. Lotte van Drunen finished third in 65cc in Trentino. So now she's going to another class, the bigger class, so crossing fingers for her, because it will be tough to ride with the boys, but she will handle. So in 65 there is Dean Gregor, okay, thank you, Dex van der Broek, Lotte van Drunen, Mick Kennedy, Kay Karsmarkers, Ivano van Aert. Team Netherlands, or Holland if you want. And now please welcome Team Norway. Team Norway is represented by Håkon Osterhagen. Håkon Osterhagen is coming on a stage with the flag of Norway. So that's him. Only one, but could be great enough surprise also from this young rider. He will be riding in 125cc class. Thanks a lot. And now please welcome Team Romania. Team Romania in 65 class, Sami Alexandru Dumitru, Mark Soke Eros, Teodora Iona Guemenik. Okay, and in 85, Tudor Stefankos, Mihau Andrei Banu, and in 125, Zoltan Ordok, then is Stefan Habnau. As you may see, they also have a girl, Teodora. Teodora, you are only two girls here. You know it, right? Lotte and you. Ready?
Yes.
As always, good girls. Sorry for this. So, you see, we have really strong girls here. One from Romania, from Netherlands. Thank you. So this is Team Romania. Please also welcome the Team MFR, Seman Rybakov. This team comes from Russian Motorcycling Federation, so Seman Rybakov is coming on a stage representing MFR team. Thanks for your applause. Ladies and gentlemen, this is team consists of only one rider, but I think that they have a great support. So have a nice picture on the stage, and you please clap your hands for Team MFR. Thanks a lot. I'm happy to welcome on the stage my compatriots from Slovakia. So Team Slovakia, Maxim Zimmerman. Som rada, že môžem na pódiu privítať môjho spolukrajana a krajana. Poď Maxik, Maxim Zimmerman. So I'm speaking in Slovak language because he comes from my country, so this is Maxim Zimmerman on the stage, only one representing Slovak Republic. Thank you, Max, and wish you good luck. Please welcome on the stage, Team Spain. And there will be like lots of riders. So Team Spain is coming on the stage. I would like to ask you not to go away, please, because at the end we will have like family picture all together, and we have still some surprise for you, so don't go away, definitely. This is Team Spain. José Luis Moreno, Alonso Parello, Juan Izaguirre, José Salvador, Iker Diaz Arnal. This in 65cc and 85cc, Carlos Salvador, Bruno Miro, Bruno Puerto, Enzo Badenas Tayeda. And in 125, Romeo Carru, Yusef Barn. Ladies and gentlemen, I recently introduced you to Team Spain. Ladies and gentlemen, now on the stage is coming Team Sweden. Swedish team will be one rider only, but look, they are coming all together on a stage with the family members and other supporters. So, ladies and gentlemen, clap your hands for Team Sweden. Otto Gustafsson, this is the rider, just not you to be mistaken. So this is Otto. Otto, there is an Asian Fair Cup also for you. Try how to use it, but not with wine, of course. Thank you. This is Team Sweden. And last but not least, we will welcome on a stage the team of hosting country. So our hosts, ladies and gentlemen, please clap your hands, but very strongly for Team Greece. Yorgos Chasakis, Andras Trakadas, Yorgos Salikis. I'm very sorry because you Greece people must really be smiling now how I'm pronouncing your names. It's really difficult for me, but I'm trying my best. Yorgos Salikis, Dimitros, Yorgos Tsortsopoulos, Yorgos Koukalitos, Solon Triantafylopoulos. Those riders are in 65cc, and then 85cc, Sotris Fotakis, Mercoris Konstantinos, Athenios Paradokis, Panagiotis Anagonostopoulos. And now 125 guys. Hey boys, would you like to help me with that? What do you think? Just to read. Kamarinos Pavlopoulos, Yorgos Galipis, Yorgos Vagenas, Angelos Tassis, Stavros Vangelixis, Sotirios Theodoridis. So I'm so sorry for pronunciation, but this is Team Greece. This is Team Greece. My dear boys, can I ask you to be here a minute? Or, okay, so I would like to ask you to go down, but then you will go up again. So please, this was Team Greece. Go please down from the podium. Ladies and gentlemen, I forget, that was my mistake. Team Slovenia. So please, Team Slovenia, come on a stage. That was my mistake, done by big emotions for you, so I'm sorry. But Team Slovenia, come, I'm sorry for that. I would like to introduce to Luka Juric, Valslavek, Talvidovic in 65, in 85, Zan Oven, Miha Vrh, and then 125, Tilen Demsic. Thanks a lot. So this is Team Slovenia. Thanks a lot, thanks a lot. So, ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to ask again, Team Greece, please come on the stage again. I'm not sure where are you going. So, all guys from Team Greece, we are at the end, actually, of our welcome ceremony. So, we will, of course, finish it with Team Greece. I would like to ask all authorities, please, dear Mayor, please, Minister of Foreign Affairs.
Καλούμε και τον κύριο Δήμαρχο, τον κύριο Περιφερειάρχη, τον κύριο Υπουργό, την Πρόεδρο της Ομοσπονδίας, όλους τους επισήμους, να βγάλουμε μια φωτογραφία όλοι μαζί σε αυτή την ιστορική μέρα εδώ στη Μεγαλόπολη. Βεβαίως τον κύριο Μπούρα.
So, as long we are on the stage, in a minute there will be National Anthem of Greece playing. So I would like to ask all of you to pay attention, to stay still, and to have the honor also with the Greece that we are about to start 2021 FIM Junior Motocross World Championship. Ladies and gentlemen, if we are ready, national anthem of Greece. Ladies and gentlemen, and now we could assume that this event is officially opened. I wish you all good luck, and just information for you, there is a shuttle bus, that bring you here. It will also pick you up and bring you to the paddock and see you during all weekend. Hopefully you will have really a great experience. So from this side, I would like to wish you a nice stay in Megalopolis, and of course, good night, because tomorrow is the first racing day. Don't forget. So one big applause at the end. And I'm really happy that you were here with us.